Uni-T Ut122. It is a Cat 600 watt mixed display 6199 Ebtn skin multimeter. Its U battery is a 3.7 watt 700 milliamp battery. Its size is a 144 times 71 times 50.5 mm. It weighs 157 grams, include the battery. Test pen is a Cat 2000 watt, Cat 600 watt, 87 cm long, PVC cable 4 mm plug. DC watt is a 0.6 watt to 600 watt. AC watt is a 0.6 watt to 600 watt. Resistor ring is a 0.1 ohm to 60 mega ohm. Continuity may be lesser than 50 ohm, may be B-sound on. Frequency range is 10 Hz to 10 MHz. Duty cycle is 10 to 95%. Temperature is minus 40 degrees C to 1000 degrees C. Die output voltage is 2.9 watt. Capacitor range is 0.01 nF to 99.99 MF. It has NCV, light check function, APO function, flashlight function, bright and dim digit. Let's see the meter. It made in China. The top side have power on off key and the whole key. Let's see the user menu first. Now only have Chinese user menu. Let's see the meter. And the right side, they have a power on off key and the flashlight key. Now power on the meter. One part. Now is a power on. When power on, they into auto mode and display the home temperature. And one part may be the flashlight on. Part again may be turned off. In the left side, they have a whole data key and the dim digit key. Now see it. One part is a hold the data. One part again may be cancelled. Long part may be in dim. Long part again may be brightness. It brightness. Try again. It into dim. Now it's a violet. Okay. Another key is a select key. Then maybe select the function of the meter in the downside. This switch. One part is DC, but again maybe AC. And the NCV, light hot white check, frequency and duty cycle, and the temperature. And turn again maybe auto. And next is first key is a capacitor. Next is the continuity. Next is a resistor. Next is a die test function. Return to the capacitor function. And the meter, when open the cover, there is inside of the open the cover. In this have a Type C charge input jack. Okay, let's try the meter. Resistor DC voltage test. Now in auto mode. 2.5 watt. ISO 2.512. 5 watt. ISO 5.015. 7.5 watt. ISO 7.52 watt. 10 watt. ISO 10.03 watt. Now see the manual mode. For the manual mode, put this again. The in manual mode. Now it's in manual mode. 2.5 watt. ISO 2.503. 5 watt. ISO 5.014. 7.5 watt. ISO 7.52 watt. 10 watt. ISO 10.03 watt. Okay. Next test. And normal AC voltage test. Let's see. ISO 228. A little bit over the float reading. And frequency is 49 Hz. And let's see the float. ISO 49.97 Hz. Okay, next test. NCV test. Put the select key to the NCV. Now it's in NCV. Let's see the meter. It about 5 cm, maybe have one come out. In touch also have one of the meter. Now two. In touch. Okay, let's see the meter sensing the cable. When touch have two. Its sensitivity not very well. When sensing the live cable also is 2. Okay. And this meter have a light check function, light hot white check, and put again maybe in light hot white check. Let's test it. The first is a wet test it. Neutral, no. F, no. And when the hot wire come out, there may be a light logo come out. And let's see again the back test lead. Neutral, no. F, no. Hot wire. They can show the hot wire of the inner light logo come out. And see again the NCV. When in NCV, the tested touch the light cable maybe show 1. Okay, next test. The NCV so weak. See the light cable like this. When a light cable found that, there may be have free come out. Okay. Auto mode check. It show 1.0 no power. And 9 watt. And resistor. It show 40.3 ohm. And AC. It show 224.9 watt. Okay, next test. Resistor check. And in auto mode. Let's see the auto mode. When short tested, maybe 0. And let's see the resistor. It's a 0.5 ohm. In auto mode, it shows 0.6 ohm. And let's see the low ohm reading. 1 ohm. It shows 1.1 ohm. 10 ohm. It shows 10.4 or 5 or 3 now. Okay. 2 meg. It shows 1.992 meg. 22.3 meg. It shows 22.2 meg. And 40 meg about. It shows 40.95 meg. About 60 meg. It shows 61.9 meg. And let's see this meter or in manual mode by pressing the top selector switch. Now it's in resistor mode, manual mode. The short test lead is 0. And let's see the 0.5 ohm. ISO 0.6 Okay, let's see the 1 ISO 1.1 10 ISO 10.2 2 meg ISO 1.992 22.3 meg ISO 22.25 meg 40 meg about ISO 41.1 meg about 60 meg You cannot show. Because it over 60. Weapon resistor check. Now see the foot first. And this meter in auto mode ISO 5.001 km. Need a foot reading for the auto mode. And let's see the manual mode. Now in manual mode. ISO 5.001 km. ISO accuracy. Next test. Weapon capacitor test. And see the foot first for the cap. And see this meter. ISO 121 nail very accuracy. Next test. And normal capacitor test. ISO 10.54. It's 1000 μF. And let's test it. ISO 1.041 megafarad. And see the bigger one. ISO 4.43 megafarad. Okay, next test. Die function check. Die voltage check. ISO 3.2415 watt. Die output voltage. And let's see testing the normal die. ISO 0.537 watt. It's okay. And let's see the die function light on the LED. Red okay. It show 1.79 watt. Yellow okay. Green okay. Blue okay. And white also okay. Okay, let's test. Continuity test. If short test it so siêu Try again. It about 68 dB. And let's see the latching. If far that no rebound. One, two, three, four. It about 4 seconds for contact. 1, 2, 3, or 3. In auto mode. In auto mode 40 ohm. It's so 40 ohm. And let's see the meter in manual mode. Now it's in manual mode. It's so far report. But no reading come out. And the B sound about 72 or 3. It's so far in the manual mode. And let's see the resistor. Okay, next test. In continuity makes about 600 ohm. Now 600 ohm about. Okay, next test. Temperature test. Ending is 27 degrees C. Flip is 27.2. And Uni-T is 27.4. And now see the cool water first. And cool water ending 122 is 8 degree. And flip is 7.7 degree. And the Uni-T also 7.7. Okay. Next is to the hot water. Now it's in hot water. And ending 122 is 76 degree. And flip is 79.6. And Uni-T sensor is 77.7. Okay, let's see the ending 122 in high temperature. Now 400. 500. And cool down. Okay. High DC voltage test. 111 watt is okay. 276 watt ISO 281 or 280 watt. 500 watt. ISO 533 watt in auto mode. And let's see the meter in manual mode. So we in the downside voltage, DC watt. Now see the 100 first. (111 watt) ISO accuracy. 250 ISO 277.7 watt. Need a foot reading. And 500 watt. ISO 531 or 30.31 watt. Need a foot reading. Foot is 527 watt. Okay, next test. And charging test. When charging the meter, first remove the cover first. And remove the cover, you can see the Type-C input terminal. And put in the meter. And the meter so the logo come out. When you want to less the power of charging, first close off the meter. It can lower down the charging current and fast for charging finish of this meter. Okay, next test. In auto mode, 10 milli is 7 Hz of this meter. In manual mode, minimum is 6 Hz about. Duty cycle is 50%. 3 watt RMS AC. In auto mode, the max Hertz frequency is 1.7 kHz. Okay, next test. And this meter makes about 11 megahertz. Okay, next test. Meter T down. There is the cover. And there is the meter. And the button have 2 screws before I loosen it. And the button is a transparent case. And let's see the meter. They have a rechargeable LITHIUM battery, control relay, and Type-C charging board, and a PTC. And now we open it. They have more part. And there is the button. They have a soft key. In the left side. And the bottom have a LCD driver, LED, crystal, transistor, and main control IC. And the Type-C charger controller. And that is the skin. We also open it. There are 4 screws. And they have 4 buckles, keep the skin. There is the downside of the meter. Now it's fully open. See again. There is the refresh skin of the backlight. We try to open it. There is the reflector skin, and there is the main LCD skin. There's some color inside. and the contact waveform. Okay, T down, finish. An auto power off test. When turn on the meter, they have a logo come out. That means that there is a auto power off. If not you in 15 minutes, this meter may be auto power off. And when you want to cancel it, first power off the meter and long put the left side key and turn on the meter. We hit VB, and now time there is the logo disappear. There is a long time use the meter for now testing the meter auto power off function and power on the meter again. The logo come out. Now testing. And now video may be speed up. Power consumption test. Supply voltage is 4.1 watt. Starting up current is 75 milliamp. And open the flashlight is 26 to 30 milliamp. Next test, NCV test. In about 5 mm have 1 and touch is 2. It can with 0.01 watt. Okay, next test. And this meter minimum voltage in auto mode is 0.5 watt. Let's see. You can with the 0.5 watt. And when the meter charge about finish, the logo may be stable and the current about 0.02 amp. Okay.